Guys, thanks for tuning in. One of the biggest challenges in web design is making your site stand out from the crowd. Today, we are looking at how the Wix Harmony editor uses AI to help you move past generic templates and create unique content that reflects your specific brand. First up, let's talk text. With the AI text creator, you can generate high quality original copy by simply providing a few prompts about your business. Whether you need an About Me section that sounds more personal or technical service descriptions, Aria can draft multiple variations, so you can pick the one that feels most authentic to you. To do that, simply click on a text that you'd like to work on or improve, and then click Ask Aria on top. Let's select from the options below. You can improve it, simplify it, etc. Or you can type your own instructions over here. Once you select an option, Aria will then get to work, and it will automatically replace your text on the page. Custom visuals with AI image generation. To keep your site from looking like a stock photo gallery, Harmony includes a built-in AI image generator. You can describe a specific scene and get a one of a kind image instantly. You can even adjust the style to match your site's aesthetic, whether that's 3D render, oil painting, or cinematic photography. To do that, simply select an image that you want to work on and then click on Replace Image at the top. Here, scroll down to the bottom and select AI Image Creator. Simply type in the kind of image you want to generate. Simply choose a style that you'd like your image to be. Once you're done, click on Create Image and wait for it to finish processing. After just a few seconds, your image will be ready. If you're not happy with it, try tweaking your prompt and then create an image again until you're happy with what Wix's AI will give you. And if in case you like the image that it created for you, just simply click on Use Image for it to be added to your library. By the way, before you can actually save it, you'll have the option to crop it to your desired size or dimensions. You can also alter its orientation if you want to. Once you're done, click on Save, and it'll be saved onto your Site Files folder. And from here, you can select it and add it to your page if in case you'd like to replace your image. Apart from text and images, did you know you can generate an entire section within just minutes with Aria? Simply type in a detailed instruction here on Aria's chat box. Make sure that it's a detailed instruction as to what kind of section you want to add and what contents you'd like to be included or displayed over there. Once you're done, hit enter or click this button right here. Just wait for a couple of minutes, and depending on what kind of section you are creating, Aria will also suggest you to install a few apps. And here you go. We were able to create this simply by typing in our prompt. Finally, the Harmony brand kit ensures your unique content remains cohesive. Once you've generated your custom text and images, the editor automatically applies your specific brand tokens, which are your fonts, spacing, and color palettes. And if in case you want to update your brand kit, simply go to Brand above. And here you can update your color theme, your text theme, and so much more. And there you have it. The Wix Harmony editor gives you the tools to be original without spending hours on a blank canvas. It's all about using AI to spark your creativity and build something that is uniquely yours. Give it a try and let us know how it works for you. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.